What is up guys, this is Jay here and welcome to yet another video of tricky solution. And those who are using iPhone and sometime or max time we face such kind of problem like our battery drains rapidly, and how we can stop or how we can reduce this one. And in this video I'm gonna show you the few steps how you can stop your battery from draining. And very first process, we have to go on setting, then you have to go on general, then you have to go background refresh, and make sure your background app refresh should be turned off because it drain batteries too much, and you should turn this one off. And you have to go back. Next step, you have to call your battery, then you have to tap on battery health, and make sure optimized battery charging should be turned on always. And then you have to go back again, and here you have to go privacy. Make sure your location service should be turned off always, or you can turn on this one for few specific app if you need for very emergency. Otherwise you should turn this one off. It helps battery from draining. And then you have to go privacy. Okay, then you have to go privacy again, and here you can see the analytics and improvements. Tap on there and make sure your share iPhone analytics you should turn off and go back. And next step, we have to go on screen time. Make sure your screen time should turn off always. And you can see, make sure your screen time should turn off. It drains battery too much, and if you turn this one off, your battery should be healthier more, and you should turn this one off. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this is all process you can reduce battery draining, or you can stop battery draining in your iPhone. And if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends, and that's it.